The year 2025 marks a major shift in U.S. immigration policy. After years of debate, sweeping new laws are taking effect, overhauling who can enter, how laws are enforced, and what it means for families already here. The goal, a system that's more secure, economically sound, and orderly. But these changes bring big questions and new uncertainties for millions. The reforms aren't just one law. They're a collection of efforts: stronger border security, new economic pathways, and changes in how federal and local authorities cooperate. For immigrants, understanding these changes is critical. They'll affect jobs, families, and futures. The pressure to act became too great. Businesses need workers, communities need resources, and politicians needed solutions. The new laws try to balance control, compassion, and economic growth, a delicate act that will be tested in practice. For many, this new chapter is both hopeful and frightening. New pathways to legal status for some, stricter enforcement for others. The key is to understand what's happening and why. This video will break down the most important parts of the 2025 immigration changes. We'll look at the risks, the opportunities, and how to navigate this new landscape. It's a new era for American immigration. Being informed is your best first step. Let's dive in. Green card holders have long felt secure, but 2025 brings new risks. Increased enforcement and a broader definition of deportable offenses mean even minor legal issues can have major consequences. Local police now cooperate more closely with federal immigration authorities, so a traffic stop could trigger a status review. Information is automatically shared with ICE, creating a new level of scrutiny. The list of crimes that can lead to deportation has expanded, including some offenses previously considered minor. Green card holders must be extra careful. Permanent residency is no longer untouchable. Stay vigilant, keep your USCIS information updated, avoid any legal trouble, and contact an immigration lawyer immediately if arrested or charged. Don't assume your status is safe. Protect it actively. The environment has changed, and so must your approach. Proactivity, not fear, is the best defense. Know your rights, and don't take unnecessary risks. Your green card is valuable. Treat it with care. In 2025, vigilance is essential. The 287G program is expanding in 2025, giving local police new powers to enforce immigration law. Local officers, trained by ICE, can now question people about their status and start deportation proceedings during routine stops. This blurs the line between local policing and federal enforcement, making any police interaction a potential immigration matter. Over 1,000 agreements are now in place, especially in states like Georgia and Florida. For green card holders, even minor charges can trigger immigration investigations. Critics warn of racial profiling, so knowing your rights is crucial. You have the right to remain silent and to speak to a lawyer. Understand how 287G works to protect yourself and your family. The enforcement climate has changed. Be prepared. Knowledge is your best defense. Amid stricter enforcement, the Dignity Act of 2025 offers new legal pathways for immigrants. Supported by both Democrats and Republicans, it aims to fix the system by balancing border security with economic needs. The act creates a program for long-term undocumented immigrants to earn legal status, not amnesty, but a multi-step process involving work, taxes, fines, and background checks. After years in the program, participants may apply for permanent residency. The main argument: the U.S. faces a massive labor shortage, and immigrants are essential to filling jobs in key industries. Business groups strongly support the act, seeing it as a way to stabilize the workforce and boost the economy. The bill also funds border security and more immigration judges for faster case processing. It's a bipartisan deal: stricter enforcement plus a path to legal status. For many families, the Dignity Act represents hope for a future without fear. While not yet law, its broad support signals a real push for practical solutions. The debate is shifting. Reform is finally on the table. Immigration's economic impact isn't one size fits all. A 2025 Manhattan Institute report shows two main factors: education level and age at arrival. Young, highly educated immigrants are a huge benefit. They get good jobs, pay more taxes, and use fewer services, helping reduce the national debt and drive innovation. In contrast, older or less educated immigrants may pay less in taxes and need more public support, creating fiscal challenges. Still, low-skilled immigrants do essential work that keeps prices down and fills jobs Americans often avoid. The numbers show a clear difference. High-skilled immigrants are net contributors, while others may cost more than they pay in. That's why new laws focus on attracting skilled immigrants, while still grappling with the need for essential workers. The debate is about balancing contributions and costs. Understanding both sides is key to the new immigration conversation. The system is being redesigned to maximize benefits and address real workforce needs. It's a complex story of both contributions and challenges. The future depends on getting this balance right. That's the heart of the 2025 reforms. In 2025, merit-based immigration is the buzzword. This system prioritizes skills, education, and qualifications over family ties, using a point system for age, education, English ability, and job offers. High scores get visas faster, targeting workforce needs and maximizing economic impact. Countries like Canada and Australia have used this approach successfully for years. A young, skilled worker with a job offer can now immigrate quickly, while family-based slots are reduced. Supporters say it's fairer and better for the economy. Critics worry it weakens family unity, which helps immigrants settle and thrive. The 2025 reforms try to balance both, shifting more slots to employment-based immigrants but not eliminating family reunification. It's a fundamental change from who you know to what you can do. The U.S. is moving toward a more strategic, economic-focused immigration system. The goal, a smarter, more competitive America. With so many changes, staying informed is your best protection. Don't rely on rumors. Get information from official sources like uscis.gov or trusted nonprofits. For green card holders, live quietly, pay taxes, keep your address updated, and avoid any legal trouble. If stopped by police, be polite, know your rights, and don't answer questions about your status without a lawyer. If eligible, apply for citizenship. It's the best safeguard against future changes. Citizenship brings full rights and protection from deportation. Start the process early. Many organizations offer free help. Have a family emergency plan, especially if members have different statuses. Keep important documents safe and accessible. Know who to call in an emergency, and have a trusted immigration lawyer's contact info handy. Being prepared doesn't mean expecting the worst, it means being responsible. Stay informed, stay careful, and support each other. The landscape is changing, but knowledge and preparation are your strongest allies. Together, you can face any challenge.